So now let's see some words with sound P. First, let's pronounce correct the sound P. Again, if you touch your neck and you will say P, 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 P. It's like whispering without the voice. You don't hear the voice and you don't feel vibration here in your neck. But if we will speak, if we will say the sound B, 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 we will feel vibration here and it will be quite another sound. We have two different sounds, the sound P and the sound B. Be careful, don't confuse them. So now let's move on to words with sound P. Close your lips very strong and very quickly. P, 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 P. Okay, so now let's move on to the words starting with sound P. And the first word is pen. Pen. We usually write with pen. Pen. The next word is paint. Paint. When we paint, we take a brush and liquid color. That means we paint. Paint. And the next word is pencil. We can draw and write with pencil. Let's see some other words starting with sound puppy. Puppy. Puppies are very lovely. Do you like puppies? Puppies are small dogs. The kid dogs. And the next word is penguin. Have you ever seen penguins? Do you know where penguins live? Where do the penguins live? They live in Antarctic. Quite down of our Earth, the penguins live in ice in Antarctic. Okay, and the next word we have is parrot. 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 Do you know that parrots can speak like people? That they can say real words like people do? Have you ever heard like parrots speak? That really looks funny. Okay, and the next word is pie. It can be apple pie, or cherry pie, or cinnamon pie. So, the pie. Delicious pie. What pie do you like? And the next word is pirate. Pirate. Are you afraid of pirate? Or would you like to be pirate yourself? Pirate. Do you think that pirates still exist? Or they are only in movies or cartoons and fairy tales? Pirate. In the end of this week, we will make a pirate map. I will teach you how to make it. See you soon!